Oh, Egyptian god Isis. Very nice. Nice portrait. Melting clocks. Nice.
The museum will be closing in 5 minutes. Patrons on the second floor, please make your way to the elevator or stairs to the lobby at this time. Again, the museum is closing in 5 minutes.
Closing time! The museum is closing. Put on your hats, pack up your things, people. It's time to close.
Huh? You just said 5 minutes.
Closing time is in 5 minutes. Patrons on the ground floor have 5 minutes before they must exit.
Time to go home, people. Please move toward the nearest exits.
What?
What ground floor patrons do not have to exit at this time.
Ground floor, everybody, closing time.
Is in 5 minutes.
Is now.
Your clock is fast.
No, it's not.
Everyone knows that clock is fast.
Ah, shut up. Patrons will please disregard my mistaken coworker and exit now.
Unless they would prefer to stay for 4 more minutes when we will be closing our doors.
In which case, the museum staff will have to stay on overtime, a luxury that patrons' suggested donations isn't sufficient to cover, so the museum will go bankrupt and we will have to close our doors forever.
Oh, don't want that.
But for the next 3 minutes, we're open. Yay!
Where did you learn to tell time?
Where did you learn economics? Patrons' closing time is at 5 o'clock exactly. Just under 3 minutes from now.
No, it isn't. It isn't. Closing time has already passed. You people are trespassing.
Oh, go take a Valium.
Patrons will kindly disregard the small caliber rounds I am firing at my idiot colleague.
Oh, yeah? Patrons will please excuse the temporary inconvenience of my return fire. In the future, this will work to enable us to serve you better. Please keep your heads down for the next 2 minutes, at which the building will close.
The building is already closed. Grenade!
Grenade! Every day. We go through the same routine every day.
Hey, it's not my fault. Some people just never want to leave.
Well, I hope you're satisfied. Is everybody out now?
Yeah, everybody's out. Grenades always get them moving. So what time you got?
4:45. You?
4:45. Want to get some coffee?
Yeah, let me change my shoes.
Okay.
I'll be right with you.